Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a very short tanker train. Let's check it out. It's right there, right? Just gonna meet the Alco 85 once again, and it's right there. That's the one I got. That was the one on the rear on yesterday's video. Keep this camera rolling now. Must have stopped towards the end of the passenger train. Yeah, they're gonna run the passenger train one more time coming up, and this time it's a Santa Claus train. We're going to have that here on the we got one here on the Train Expert channel last year. This is a very short one as far as the tanker is concerned. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I know it's rare we're getting the OC&Ts on a Tuesday. Already done the OC&Ts like 3 times on a Thursday, including twice with the passenger runs. So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.